Hey everyone, it's Bunny Vlogs Ready here, and today we are celebrating my new intro. It's amazing, guys. Isn't it? Oh, I got a friend request. Let's, I don't know, yeah, I'm going to accept it because I only got 7 friends. I need to text my friend. But today, guys, we have a little thing I need to show you. So, today, I am just excited because I'm at my new desk, and I want to play Welcome to Bloxburg, but I don't have 25 Robux, so ooh, I wouldn't have prayed, but I know it's not going to be the real Hello Neighbor. But I don't care. I'm gonna play it. I'm easily coerced to do that stuff. Guys, do not. Oh, this is the real Hello Neighbor. Wow. Well, I guess I'm done for it. Alright, so guys, I just had the best. What's going on with my mouse? Okay. I just had the best idea because I haven't done a Roblox video in a long time, and I really want to do one, but it's also going to be for a new intro celebration, guys. Sorry for the little mistake there. I hope it comes into the video because I don't know if it will. But today, I'm playing something you guys really wanted to play. Really wanted everyone to play. Woo, 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 woo. Alright, guys, so you guys know about the epic minigames. Well, how about I play it today for my new intro? Don't mind all these guys, because I was just trying to figure out how to actually put your intro into your video, and I had to figure out myself because no one else would actually teach me. But I also got a flash drive here, guys, and we're going to open the flash drive real soon. Alright, I'm excited, guys, because guess why? Guess why I'm excited? Because I get to play epic minigames. It's got a few updates. And Brianna OR0716/BreeBree4Life25 has been playing this game for a long time. Now, I'm very excited because I just... She would be like, she would be like in front of everyone right here. She would be, I think, her. Oh, I like the music. Whoa, let's go, music. 2 ways to level up. Alright, I think I got this, y'all. Alright, should we inform everyone? Hey, guys, should we inform everyone that I'm recording? I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to inform everyone I'm recording, but let's turn down the volume here. Woo. So, I'm going to inform everyone that I am recording. A adventure will begin in 5 seconds. Right, you ready to the hidden treasure? Go! Oh, no. No. It's too laggy. Well, my luck, guys. Well, alright, this is gonna be really challenging. Oh! I died! Ow! Alright, I'm gonna inform everyone I'm recording. So, guys, they know I'm recording, and I gotta ask if it's okay if I put them on YouTube, because that's yeah. I'm gonna tell everyone I'm recording. Hey, is it okay if I put you on my channel? Hey guys, I'm recording for YouTube, and I wanted to make sure if it was okay with you guys to put your usernames in this game in my vid, or if you wanted to have me blur it out. Hey guys, I'm recording for YouTube and I wanted to make sure if it was okay if I put you guys in, yeah. So guys, I'm a very nice, generous person. I'm a very nice bunny. So yeah, I know how to play Escape too. Riverfly25 taught me. I guess she's a pro. Alright, so I'm supposed to do this? Okay. It's okay with me. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, my man. He's so nice. Only. Ooh. He probably wants me to give him a shout out. That's everyone. That's with everyone. If you tell me the channel. Okay, I'll tell him the channel. It's my username, no spaces, no YT either. The red team win. Oh, yeah, we won. Tell me the channel. Okay, so here's the girl. Well, the channel is my username with no spaces, or YT. Okay. Well, the channel is my username with no spaces or the YT. Okay. Oh no, it's black. Oh. Okay, let's go. Woo! Let's go. Let's go, guys. We're doing it. Whoa. We're slowly beginning to get to the black hole. No! Oh, dang it. Well, we got a new intro, guys, so I can't be that mad. Okay. So, this girl is, woo. I'll make sure to give it a shout out. Go check out this girl. I don't know how to say the name. I'm so sorry. Okay, I don't know how to say the name, but I'll give you a shout out since it's okay with you. And yeah, I have to roll this. So guys, look at her name, the one that's private chatting with me, and go check out that. Oh no, I suck at Minigames. Oh my goodness, guys, it's really. But I want to give her a shout out since she's going to be new to the Bunny Clan. And all y'all are new to the Bunny Clan. If you subscribe, like, and comment down what you want next. But be part of that notification squad. And it's going to take a while to upload this video. So it's Bunny Vlogs Bunny. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to give her a shout out. Joka Ira is weird. So go check her out. That is the girl who we are, yeah. This girl, where's she? This girl right here. Go check her out, guys, because we are only in 8 minutes in the video, and people are already saying it's okay with me. Hello. So go check out her user Roblox thing. I don't know. User player. Okay, so go check out her user on Roblox, guys. Go on Roblox and check out her, because I'm giving her a shout out. And yeah. So I kind of like some music that is hopefully not copyright. So I'm gonna turn it down on my phone here. And I'm gonna go on full screen with this. Cause, oh, dude! I'm good at this! Oh, no, I'm not. I'm gonna get hit. Oh, get her! Yes! Yeah! We got someone. Woo! Okay, get him! Okay, good! Get him! Did we get him? We had to have got him. We're lagging so much, guys! Oh, my goodness, the lag is for real! With screencast automatic. Get him! Woohoo! I need to get some people. We're only 10 minutes in the video. 5 more minutes left because I don't have my account verified. Oh, dang it! Woohoo! Ah! Get him. I tried to get him. Oh, this dude's a legend! Get him! Oh! No, he got me. That was an easy shot, y'all. I was just standing there. So, guys, I was just standing there. I gotta get someone. Oh, no, I'm not gonna be in this top 3. That's okay, guys. So, I found this out by this guy named DFieldMark. Go check him out. Link in the description below. And I found the song out, Burn the Stars. Go check it out. If you guys can hear it, go check it out. Link in the description below. And it's a really good song, actually, and I'm proud. And go subscribe to DFieldMark there. And yeah. But guys, since I'm playing the song, I have to like do something. Oh, I'm good at this. It's like I'm just gonna stand here. I'm just gonna burn the stars. It's really good though, guys. Let it burn, let it burn. People forgot to jump. Guys, I am a pro at this. This might be what I'm pro at. Oh, guys, that wasn't fair. Oh, guys, come on. We gotta jump. We gotta keep jumping. Oh, guys. Oh, this is scary. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, guys. Guys, are you kidding me? Oh my God, guys, we were so close, guys. So guys, we were so close to getting that. But I can't get too ragey here, because it's Roblox, you know? Everyone rages on Roblox, so, I don't know. I'm just gonna burn. I really like this song, guys. I don't have any Roblox, so no thank you. I mean, I had to, oh, I'm not good at sword fighting. I'm not good at sword fighting. Oh, we don't fight our team. Oh, we go over here. Okay. I thought we fought the team. Fighter. Well, guess what, Mr. Fighter? You're gonna be a dyer. Oh, I probably died yet. It's lag. Yeah, I knew it. It was because of lag, guys. It was because of lag. It was because of lag. So we're gonna be close to ending this here, guys. We are 3 minutes in. I don't have my account verified, and I'm gonna get that verified soon so I can get more than 15-minute videos. But I'm going to have to end this close. I'm going to one more game, and then I'm gonna end this right here, guys. One after this Pipeworks game. I don't know, Sewers Duo. I don't know. But yeah, we're just gonna. Ooh, where's mine? So we have to patch up the water. Oh, no, you can't enter. Ah. No wonder this is supposed to be a duo. How are you supposed to do that? Ooh. Come on. Go. While the patcher is up. Oh, this is so hard, guys. There's so much. Ooh, just gotta survive. And the time I'm given. I'm not giving so much time, guys. Stop. Oh no, guys, I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm not gonna be able to survive. My clothes are wet. I can't survive with wet clothes, you know, guys. Woo! Oh no, stop! I just want to survive. I can't. I give up. I give up on life. But guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'll see you guys in the next video.